guys, welcome back to Streaming Sundays. We've got Nathan White, the CEO of Aegis Corporation. That stands for Chief Environmental Officer. And joining him is Fernando Rosa, bioarchitect. Well, let's get into it, man. Tell us a little bit more about your company and what your plans are for San Diego.
Yeah, so Aegis Inc., we founded about 5 years ago, and it stands for Alternative Generating Energies and Sustainable Solutions. And our company is really focused on environmental systems, plants and animal species that can actually be used to improve natural environment. So these are some of our industrial partners that we've accumulated. Obviously, this is a list that we've accumulated in 3 or 4 years, but that list can grow. So this is what we are. We focus on food and water and carbon cycles, nitrogen cycles and biodiversity, clean energy, and most of all, climate change mitigation and management. Which is an empty void. The project scope of the water at the Bay is to really create a seawater education and recreation, as well as an environmental demonstration enhancement project. And that'll be located here at Cesar Chavez Park. And it will be an asset for residents to improve their water quality, social connectivity, and reach out to the youth of the area to provide opportunities to utilize their community. So it really empowers the youth and the community to take charge. So this is kind of the history of the site, and this was established over the last 20 or 30 years, which is the Barrio Logan master plan. Just go through these really quick. Number 1 is our seawater gardens, which is the aquaculture component and the biofuel component, utilizing untreated seawater. Then you have number 2 is the seawater boat tours, which is kind of a pontoon boat that would bring people back and forth. Number 3 being education barge, which is kind of tied into the sea athletes. We called it the rec barge, that would give community members an opportunity to take boats in and around this small area here within a contained environment. Then we have these Leviathan units that are floating islands that would treat a lot of the stormwater runoff. Going through to the seawater grass 6 and 7, we can utilize that as well as enhanced infiltration opportunities, and then just improving the structures that are there on site. They're really underutilized, so that might be an opportunity to create something.